The little baby, he come out of the nest. He's walking around. Max, Tamata. The parents are there. You can see them. It's the mommy. That's the daddy. That's the little one. He's very interesting way he's watching everywhere. Okay, for the moment the daddy is okay. I hope they don't want to make again the nest, because otherwise I will have to take the daddy away from the cage. So funny little one. Magda. I love this color of the birds, like a rainbow. But unfortunately, this parrot is very complicated to make it to be friendly with the people. Oh, the daddy is down. But he doesn't want to feed the baby. Bad daddy. The baby is trying to climb up because he's out of the nest. Ah, he's coming up. Oh, the daddy starts pulling again the feathers out of the baby. Hey, hey! Rosalito! Ksh. Rosalito! No. Hey, hey! Okay, guys, I have to separate them again. Naughty boy. Naughty daddy. Okay, let's take the daddy away, so the baby can grow up with the mommy. Thank you for watching. Where is my little baby? That's our little one. I separate the daddy, but it looks like already the daddy damaged his wing. He was trying to take out his wings again, his feathers. Let me go from the other side. Yes, baby, yes. Daddy will not attack you anymore. It's okay, baby. Oi, oi. Oi, oi. Climb up. It's okay. I will check your wings. Okay, his wing actually is not bad. There is no damage. The daddy, he just pull out the feathers. It's gonna grow up again, so you can see it better. Oh, come on, baby. That's okay. It's gonna grow up.